Hello and welcome, my name is Sinoj. In today's video, we're going to be installing our required software, and that is Jupyter Notebook. So make sure to follow along with me in the video, and the download links will be in the description as well. So let me know what you think at the end of the video, and we'll see you in another video very soon.
So first you have to go to www.anaconda.com, click products and select the individual edition. Click download. After you click download, it will ask which OS you are running and which version. In my case, I'm using the 64-bit OS. I have to click this one to download the setup file. So once you download the setup file, click and open it. So this will be the installation wizard. First click next, click I agree, select just me, click next, choose the file path. So make sure there are no spaces in the file path. If it contains actually in the names, if it contains any spaces, you will get error message. So make sure that there's no spaces. Click next. So in my case, I have already installed it, so I have to choose a different path, but your one will be just fine. So after choosing that, click next. So in this here, so if in your PC, if you previously installed Python for python.org, I am suggesting you to tick this one if you installed previously Python. If you don't install previously, don't need to click it and press install to do installation. So first of all, make sure the YML file that we're gonna give is in a place that you already know. So in my case, I'm gonna be saving this YML file into the download folder. Since I already have it, I must replace it. So once you have finished installing the Anaconda, you have to open up the Anaconda prompt. So in order to do that, go to the search bar and type Anaconda. So it will show up the Anaconda prompt. Click it. Next, you have to download the .yml file. The link will be in the description, and you have to move it to a place somewhere that you know. So in my case, I have already moved it to my downloads folder. If you are new to this, I'm suggesting you to follow my method. So my .yml file is in the downloads folder, so I have to go to the download folder first. In order to do that, I have to type cd space downloads. You can press the tab to complete this one. So you can see that I am in my downloads folder. Now I have to locate the YML file and I have to open it. So there's a command to it. In order to activate, we have to type conda, C-O-N-D-A space env space create, C-R-E-A-T-E, create space -f and our .yml file name. So it is cv course _windows .yml. Press enter. So this will take a while to install, and if it's asked for press Y to continue or something, you have to press it. In my case, on my PC it's already installed, so that's why you get that error. So next, you have to wait for installation. So after the installation, you have to activate the environment. In order to do that, you have to type conda, C-O-N-D-A space activate python -cv course and press enter. See that in the left side the environment is activated, so you can see that in the left side there's Python C course. So we have to open up our Jupyter Notebook. So in order to open our notebooks, we'll be using Jupyter Lab. So to open Jupyter Lab, you can type Jupyter, Jupyter -lab. Press enter. This will take a little while and it will automatically open up the browser opening the Jupyter Lab. So sometimes you won't get this browser open automatically. So if your browser doesn't open automatically, you have to go there and there will be a link, HTTP, this is one. You have to select this link and copy it. So don't do Ctrl+C, it will kill the server. So right click and copy. And paste it.